Microsoft Sentinel provides unified visibility and control across all of your connected services and devices. On the main dashboard, you'll receive an all-up overview of the security posture of your organization's environment. From here, you can see events, alerts, and incidents going on in your environment right now. Now we'll take a look at our data connectors. Microsoft Sentinel has comprehensive log collection capabilities, making it easier than ever to connect your data to Microsoft Sentinel. These connectors enable log collection on everything from AWS Cloud Trial to your Palo Alto devices. Next, we'll take a look at the Azure Active Directory data connector. When you select an item from the connectors list, a pane on the right will provide you with summary for that connector. If you want to learn more about a specific connector, you can select the Open Connector page. The Azure Active Directory connector page lets you get an at-a-glance view of your connector, showing its status, when it last received telemetry data, and a graph representing the volumes of data received. Now let's take a look at workbooks. Microsoft Workbooks are used to organize and communicate data insights. Workbooks are an out-of-the-box solution that enable you to monitor or learn about important metrics and trends. Microsoft Sentinel provides a gallery of these workbooks that will instantly accelerate your SecOps productivity. Workbooks make it easier for everyone in your organization to turn machine data into powerful insights. Here we can see this workbook analyzes user activities and provides instant insights which can be drilled into for further analysis. For example, if we click on the location from which the sign-in occurs, the workbook will automatically update the sign-in details to reflect the sign-ins to that specific location. Now let's look at analytics. After you've connected your data source to Microsoft Sentinel, you'll want to be notified when something suspicious occurs. That's why Microsoft Sentinel provides out-of-the-box, built-in templates to help you create threat detection rules. Rule templates were designed by Microsoft's team of security experts and analysts based on known threats, common attack vectors, and suspicious activity escalation chains. Rules created from these templates will automatically search across your environment for any activity that looks suspicious. The alerts generated by these rules will create incidents that you can assign and investigate in your environment. Now let's explore incidents. Microsoft Sentinel lets you create advanced alert rules that generate incidents that you can assign and investigate. An incident can include multiple alerts. It's an aggregation of the relevant evidence for a specific investigation. Let's take a look at a network incident. You can dive deeper and investigate any entity presented in the graph by selecting it and choosing between the different options. Next, we'll take a look at hunting. If you're an investigator who wants to be proactive about looking for security threats, Microsoft Sentinel's powerful hunting, search and query tools let you hunt for security threats across your organization's mountain of data. Now, let's look at automation. Microsoft Sentinel, in addition to being a security information and event management system, is also a platform for security orchestration, automation and response. Automation takes a few different forms in Microsoft Sentinel, from automation rules that centrally manage the automation of incident handling and response, to playbooks that run predetermined sequences of actions to provide powerful and flexible advanced automation to your threat response tasks. Now let's take a look at entity behavior. User and entity behavior analytics in Microsoft Sentinel help identify anomalies and extract behavioral insights for threat hunting and detection. These insights are aggregated across multiple data sources using machine learning capabilities to provide a unified host or user profile. Here, you can quickly see the accounts and hosts with the most alerts. In this case, a host machine with an IP address associated with the company has been exhibiting suspicious behavior. You can see core information about the device in the left-hand pane. In the overview section, you can see events and alerts over time and review the alerts and activities timeline. You can also get insights about suspicious behavior, such as unusual Windows sign-in activity and process executions. Let's take a closer look at the alerts associated with this device. The investigation tool shows a graph of alerts and incidents associated with the device. Let's drill into the suspicious connection alert to see its related entities. Each entity provides useful information to help with your investigation, including the description, confidence level, severity, and alert type. Let's head back to the Entity Behavior dashboard. Let's select an account this time. From here, you can get core information about the user account, such as the user's identity and contact information. You can also get an overview of alerts and activities, as well as insights about the user account, such as the total number of successful and failed logins over time. These insights will help you understand any anomalous activity, identify potential threats, and mitigate risks quickly. There is a thriving community of security experts sharing best practices, queries, and dashboards. You'll find guides and help on most subjects. Anyone can contribute different workbooks, playbooks, notebooks, and hunting queries they have created, and you'll get recognition and rewards for all your community contributions. You can access and share best practices on our Azure Sentinel GitHub.